Every successful project begins with insight, with understanding, with experience you can trust.
In our experience centers, innovation isn't just presented, it's experienced. Materials, systems, and solutions you can see, touch, and evaluate.
And because time matters, we're close by. Strategically located demo spaces, easily accessible and ready when you are.
Meet with our specialists. Compare options. Discuss your vision and technical requirements. Together, we find the solution that fits precisely and efficiently.
From concept to reality, we support you every step of the way with expertise, partnership, and real-world insight.
Visit one of our experience centers. Discover possibilities. Make decisions with confidence.
Black Box.
Book your personal live demo now.